Hi, this is Javin Kharod, a chemical engineer by profession, going to continue our today's lecture, How Natural Gas Accelerate Path to Hydrogen. Now, on the meet increasing demand of the greenhouse gas reduction, companies are looking to adopt climate-friendly hydrogen as a flexible, infinitely renewable energy source. Hydrogen is gaining momentum due to high degree flexibility of its origination and use. Not only can it derive from the traditional hydrocarbon based sources like oil, gas, coal, but it can also create using renewable wind and solar based electricity through a process called electrolysis. The difference was the hydrogen is produced. The related emission profile production they are equivalent labeled by color. Example, renewable hydrogen or green hydrogen is derived purely renewable source with no emission, while grey hydrogen is derived carbon based sources while emission are released into atmosphere. Decarbonization source. Blue hydrogen is also sourced from hydrocarbon. Most common, clean natural gas but has advantage carbon capture which prevent emission from the reaching atmosphere. Despite recent price fluctuation, the natural gas infrastructure provide an accelerant for the hydrogen economy. With abundant supply of natural resources, there are opportunity to convert gas molecule into hydrogen closest where it is needed. Now, renewable source hydrogen ultimately most desirable of an environmental sustainability standpoint as carbon never enter the energy supply but infrastructure required build widespread hydrogen adaptation from the green sources simply is not place want to be considerable time. Waiting for infrastructure will further inhibit world ability to meet net zero decarbonization goal. Now, on the other hand, the existing natural gas infrastructure is vast and provide a quick, safe way to build experience using hydrogen in a wide range applications. There are more than million-mile natural gas pipeline in India, several million more around the world. Despite recent price fluctuation, the natural gas infrastructure provides accelerant for hydrogen economy with an abundant supply of natural resources. There are opportunity to convert gas molecule hydrogen closest where it is needed and unlike is gray blue hydrogen source from the natural gas include carbon capture, permanent underground storage, process to prevent release carbon dioxide into atmosphere. It is important step to overall growth and adoption of the hydrogen because natural gas has emerged one of the cleanest form of the hydrogen and hydrocarbon energy source. Natural gas sources, hydrogen combined with the carbon capture provide a massive opportunity accelerate hydrogen adaptation around the world in the near mid-term while ultimate transforming into increasing percentage of renewable zero emission feedstock over the long term. Now understanding natural gas hydrogen production. Today, majority of hydrogen produced both the world is made steam methane reform. Now, mature production process which high temperature steam is used to produce hydrogen from methane source such as natural gas without emission capture technology. The natural gas reforming process releases large amount of carbon into atmosphere. To make hydrogen more sustainable, manufacturer needed address emission from the production pathway. It is critical puzzle price industries adopting a clean energy transmission plan today develop the long-term green solution tomorrow. Now, a steam methane reforming process split into three phases. First, natural gas react with steam, pressure and catalyst to produce hydrogen, carbon monoxide and small amount carbon dioxide. In the next phase, known as water gas shift reaction, steam and carbon monoxide react with catalyst to produce carbon dioxide and more hydrogen. And final phase, pure hydrogen created pressure swing adsorption where carbon dioxide and other impurities are removed. Traditional Grey hydrogen produced process to waste carbon dioxide is released into atmosphere. Conversely, blue hydrogen, most of carbon dioxide molecules are captured and retained underground for long-term storage. With more hydrogen in the marketplace, cleaner energy adopted several ways, blending with natural gas supply, renewable hydrogen reduces emissions. Now, in fact, the technology breach the surface of the more sustainable hydrogen fuel currently exists. Steam methane reformer solution optimize and stabilize reformer operation to help produce improve productivity, reduce variability, decreases energy usage, and lower emission and minimize safety hazard. Such solutions include installing micro motion corrosion meter on the fuel gas or natural gas fuel control steam to carbon ratio. The meter preserves safety, catalyst life, and energy cost as hydrogen is produced at high pressure. Final control valve and regulate help to maintain safe control process to increase overall efficiency and identify leak in the system. Use pressure swing adsorption technology. With hydrogen, marketplace, cleaner energy, and adopted several ways, blending natural gas supply, renewable hydrogen reduces overall greenhouse gas emissions, and adopting blue hydrogen provide opportunity leverage valuable energy and infrastructure assets include fossil fuel, reserve, and reverse the natural gas pipeline. Now, creativity finding solution to integrate cleaner energy solution, wind company, policymaker, and consumer. As world look reach net zero by 2050, hydrogen can play a critical role addressing global need and cleaner energy. Key removing barrier for adoption we can learn by doing and gain confidence hydrogen as sustainable energy source of the future. Hydrogen popularity is increasing because reliable, versatile, and can be produced variety of ways. Lightest element, periodic table hydrogen is used weather balloon, processing petroleum products, glass production, heat treating furnaces for steel production as highly flammable gas. Hydrogen commonly used variety chemical process, hydrogen fuel cell, power car, and fuel cell forklift. Now, hydrogen has only one proton and one electron, making it the simplest element and is considerable clean and renewable resources. When hydrogen is burned, no harmful byproducts are released into atmosphere. It's not toxic to human health like some of the other gases. It's more powerful than the most fossil-based fuel sources, means less hydrogen needed to perform same type of task. Natural gas contain methane that can be used to produce hydrogen with thermal process called steam methane reformation. According to the Department of Energy, natural gas reforming advanced and matured production process that build existing natural gas pipeline delivery infrastructure. Steam methane reforming. Steam methane reforming, most common and economical way to make hydrogen gas large scale. Methane from natural gas combined high temperature steam and catalyst create pure hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Hydrogen gas is the further purified of the specification such as what steam methane reforming process consists. Water will enter furnace produce steam at very high temperature up to 1500 degree Fahrenheit. The steam react with natural gas to produce hydrogen and carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide and steam react the carbon dioxide and more hydrogen gas in the water gas shift reactor. Contaminants are removed and hydrogen gas is purified. Specification. Hydrogen can liquefy and transport by truck or funnel as gas through pipeline, and remaining gas are recycled back into process and recovered for further use. Now, advantage. Steam reforming natural gas offer efficient, cost-effective, large-scale process hydrogen production. Efficiency process is 65 to 75% with Highest commercial available production method using methane from natural gas is convenient and easy to handle. There are some concerns about Amazon from the process produces carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Effort combat the Amazon carbon removal initiative are well being introduced. One such initiative, direct air capture, extract carbon dioxide from air and funnel to be stored and reused. Various industries, the carbon monoxide create can also convert it into hydrogen. Hydrogen also present naturally underground. The natural hydrogen, cold hydrogen or gold hydrogen can extracted well in a similar manner fossil fuel, oil and natural gas. With hydrogen could found produce mild contain the system at scale and renewable hydrogen economy. Water could be pumped down. Hot iron rich rock extract the hydrogen. Now, methane pyrolysis. Illustrating input and output. Methane pyrolysis is a process produce hydrogen. Pyrolysis of methane or natural gas with one of the step process bubbling methane through molten metal catalyst is a no greenhouse gas approach produce. Hydrogen was demonstrated laboratory condition well being tested large scale. The process conducted high temperature 1064 degrees centigrade producing 1 kg hydrogen required 18 kilowatt hour electricity of the process input. Pyrolysis of methane can express by the reaction equation the industrial quality solid carbon may salt the manufacturing feedstock include asphalt, pavement or landfill. Methane pyrolysis technology are early development stage. Several companies found in year 2023 they have obstacle to overcome before commercialization. Now coal. For the production of hydrogen from the coal, the coal gasification is used. The process of coal gasification, steam and oxygen break molecule bond, coal and from gaseous mixture, hydrogen and carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and pollutant more easily removed from the gas obtained from coal gasification versus coal combustion. Another method conversion is low temperature and high temperature coal carbonization. Coke, oven gas, made pyrolysis, oxygen free heating of coal, about 60% hydrogen, rest is being methane, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, ammonia, molecular, nitrogen and hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen can separate from the other impurity by pressure swing adsorption process. Now, partial oxidation. Hydrogen produce natural gas, heavier hydrocarbon, alternative carbonaceous feedstock achieve partial oxidation of fuel, air or fuel oxygen mixture is partially combusted, result hydrogen and carbon monoxide, rich synthesis gas, more hydrogen and carbon dioxide obtained from the carbon monoxide. It is via the water gas shift reaction, carbon dioxide can be co-fed lower hydrogen carbon monoxide ratio, partial oxidation reaction, sub-stoichiometric fuel air mixture and fuel oxygen partially combusted reformer and partial oxidation reactor, a distinction of the made between the thermal partial oxidation and catalyst partial oxidation. The reaction take place general form 2 mole CnHm plus NO2 is produces 2N carbon monoxide plus M mole hydrogen. Now, idealized example, coal consuming C12H24 and C24H12 respectively are follows. C12H24 plus 6 mole of oxygen react to produce 12 mole of carbon monoxide, 12 mole of hydrogen. Further, C14, C24 to H12 plus 12 mole oxygen produces 24 mole of carbon monoxide and produce 6 mole of hydrogen. Hydrogen use conversion heavy petroleum fraction into lighter by hydrocracking. it is used to other processes include aromatization process, hydrodesulfurization, and production ammonia via Haber process. Primer industrial method, the production synthetic nitrogen fertilizer for growing 47% food worldwide. Hydrogen, use fuel cell, local electricity generation and potential transportation fuel. Hydrogen is produced byproduct of industrial chlorine production by electrolysis. All require expensive technology. Hydrogen cooled, compressed, purified for use other processes on the site or sold customer via pipeline cylinder or truck. The discovery and development less expensive method production of bulk hydrogen is relevant to the establishment of a hydrogen economy. Okay guys, this is up to our today's topic, how natural gas accelerates path to hydrogen. I hope you get sufficient knowledge after watching this video. Next Sunday we have covered some another chemical engineering topic. Still then goodbye, do take good care of yourself.